So one may ask, where is Funchal Madeira? So officially it's off the coast of Africa. Politically it's a part of Portugal. So it's a nice little island. The currency here is the euro, just like Portugal. So definitely bring euros with you. And just like many parts of Europe, a lot of the bathrooms you got to pay a little bit to use, or go to like a coffee shop or something and buy a little cup of coffee, and you can use the bathroom as a part of being a customer. So that's one thing to look forward to. The parks here are beautiful. He keeps finding really big leaves.
This leaf is massive.
Another question you might have, is the city walkable from the cruise ship? Well, depends on how walking ready you are. If you're a person who can walk 4 to 5 miles, you're probably going to be all right. Now, however, as you can probably see behind me, it's hilly. There's probably not a lot of flat spaces here, so be prepared to go uphill or downhill. Either way, you're going to be climbing or descending one way or another, so be prepared for that. One important thing when you're traveling, you always want to know how safe is a place. From what it feels like, very safe. No issues around here. Very clean place. So I think you'll be all right walking around. Just use caution like any place in the world. Caden says it smells. And he's got really cool leaves. Well, we're here in Funchal Madeira, leaving what's really a cool place. However, can't seem to find a taxi to take us back to the ship, so we're walking it, which is not ideal because it's steep. Caden's feet hurt. My feet hurt. I feel like I got some blisters coming, but all you got to do is make it, because we got an hour until the ship leaves. So thank God we made it back on the ship. His little feet are tired. My feet are tired. But serious shout out to the taxi company. They saw I kept trying to request one. It's kind of like Uber. There's an app that you request through. But they saw that I kept trying to request and couldn't get one, so they texted me and they're like, hey, give me a second, I'll send you a taxi. And like after 20 minutes or so, he sent one directly to us, which was fantastic because I was starting to get worried. We made it back to the ship with about 45 minutes to spare. So we did that. So maybe Sundays here, taxis aren't as operational. But just something to keep in mind if you come to Funchal Madeira. So that being said, we survived.